Hello, and welcome to the MeasureSquare Mobile for Multifamily tutorials. In this video series, we will show you how to get started and measuring in no time. Let's start with downloading and registering the software. Locate and open the App Store. Type MeasureSquare Mobile in the search bar at the top of your screen. Select MeasureSquare Mobile application and tap on Install. Once the app is downloaded, open the MeasureSquare mobile application. If you already have a MeasureSquare account, please sign in. If you don't have a MeasureSquare ID, select Sign Up for Trial, where you can register by entering your information. Once you are done, you can start a 2-week free trial with full functionality. Next, we'll cover a tour of our home screen. Here's where all of your diagrams will appear as you create them. Let's look at the icons at the top. Starting at the left, we have the account information icon. Here you can find your account email address, license information, and the cloud launch icon. Next we have the recycle bin, our sorting icon, and a display icon to change the layout of your diagrams. In the upper right, we have the sync icon. Sync is very important. This will enable you to back up your diagrams to the MeasureSquare cloud, where you can easily share, sync, and download to a new device. In the bottom right, we have the new diagram icon, where you can type in the name of your diagram. Tap the plus icon to start and enter a name for the new diagram. Always remember to sync your projects at the end of the day to avoid losing any unsaved information. Also remember that you have to be connected to a form of internet connection to sync properly to the cloud. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future tutorials and videos like this.